Hi everyone, this is Parul and welcome to my channel, sharing with all of you another short morning yoga practice that you can start your day with. Especially good when you have a really busy routine and you want to start your day with yoga. These short yoga routines are really good and effective. So let's start. You can sit how I am sitting by tucking your toes, okay? And take your hips towards your heels. If tucking your toes is not very comfortable, you can always relax your toes, okay? Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your thighs. Take one full breath. Breathe in through your nose. And breathe out through your nose. Gently open your eyes and let's continue with our practice. Just lift your hips up. Take your arms, cactus arms like this. Just take your elbows back. Open your chest. Breathe in. Head slightly back. Breathe out, take your elbows in, chin to the chest. Joining your palms together. Let's do this a few times. Breathe in, cactus arms, lift your heart, keep breathing. Breathe out, elbows in, chin to the chest, joining your palms together. One more, breathe in, cactus arm, lift your chest, take your head back, breathe. Breathe out, elbows in, chin to the chest. Join your palms together. Release. Okay, now just take your hips back towards your heels. You can relax your toes sitting in rock pose, Vajrasana. Resting your hands on your shoulders, take your elbows back. Just getting some mobility in your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your chest and change the direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Take your arms up. Breathe in. Breathe out, twist to your right, left hand outside your right knee, right arm back, draw your right shoulder back, breathe. Release your hands, take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out, twisting to your left, right hand outside your left knee, left arm back, draw your left shoulder back, breathe. And then you come back to the center, extend your right arm out, take it to the left, hug your right arm in, and just look to your right, releasing your right shoulder. And switch side, left arm out, take your left arm to the right, hug your left arm in, look to your left, breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release slowly. Okay, from here, open your legs wide like this, as wide as you are comfortable. And then take your arms up, breathe in, lengthen your spine. Breathe out, rest your right hand on your right foot or your right ankle or your right shin. Take your left arm over your ears, left palm facing down, opening your side body. Breathe. And then you turn your torso to the right. Reach for your toes. Don't worry if you're not touching your toes with your hands. Just rest your hands wherever it lands. Let your chest guide you forward. Ground your left hip. Breathe. And then you slowly take your arms up, breathe in, breathe out, come to the center, and then take your left arm down, right arm over your ears, right palm facing down, opening your right side body, keep breathing. And then you turn your torso to the left. Reach for your left toes, rest your hand wherever it lands, ground your right hip back. Breathe. On your next exhalation, release your arms, come back to the center, breathe in, breathe out, get your arms forward, rest your palms wherever you are comfortable, resting it, depending on how much your lower back allows you to go forward. Don't be in pain, breathe. And then you slowly take your arms in, take your arms up, breathe in, breathe out, arms down. Now bend your right leg, okay, and take your right hand back behind your right hip, open your fingers wide, press into your right palm, lift up. So coming on your right knee, left leg is straight, grounding your left foot back on the ground, left arm up, left palm facing down, breathe. And then you gently rest your hips back and let's change. Left leg in, right leg is straight, left hand down, open your fingers wide for your left palm, press into your left palm, lift up, ground your right foot coming on your left knee, right arm up, right palm facing down, breathe. And then on your next exhalation, gently rest your hips back on the mat and let's take cat and cow. So just coming on your all four position. Wrist is underneath your shoulders, open your fingers wide, knees are underneath your hips, knees hip width apart. Drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. It's a must do pose I feel every day, really energizing, great for your back and spine. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. One more, breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Gently get your spine to neutral position. Then you extend your right arm forward, left leg back, activating your core muscles. Extend your right arm forward, keep extending it, keep pushing your left heel back, breathe. And then switch, right hand down, left leg in, switch side, left arm out, right leg back. Push your right heel back, left arm extended forward, breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand in, right leg in. Let's get in downward dog. Extend your arms forward, open your fingers wide, press into your palms, tuck your toes, knees up, hips up, push your hips back. Breathe. Widen your collarbone. Feel free to create more space in between your legs. Relax your neck. Then gently push your chest towards your legs. Feel free to bend your legs. Focus on lengthening your spine, pushing your chest back towards your legs. Breathe. Then on your next exhalation, lift your right leg up. Breathe in. Breathe out, step your right leg forward, outside your right hand, push your left leg back. Right leg is bent, right knee is on top of your right ankle, coming in your lizard stretch. Both the hands are shoulder width apart. Option to keep your left knee down if that's more comfortable for you. Breathe. Stay here. One more breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Then you spin your left foot like this. Right leg is bent. Right hand just next to your right foot. Right leg is bent. Lift your left arm up. Opening your hips, shoulders in line. Don't sink in your right palm. Lift up. Breathe. Stay here. Keep pressing your left foot back, even your pinky finger on the mat. Breathe. Don't stress your neck. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand down. Spin your left foot. Take your right leg back. Go in downward dog. Breathe. On your next exhalation, press your right heel down. Lift your left leg up. Keep pressing your right heel down. Keep breathing. On your next exhalation, step your left leg forward, outside your left hand. Push your right leg back. Option to keep your right knee down. Okay. Left hip forward. Left knee is on top of your left ankle. Relax your neck. Breathe. Just a quick stretch and a breathing routine really help you throughout the day. So these short yoga routines are really good. That's why to start your day with. Breathe. Then on your next exhalation, spin your back foot, your right foot. Left hand is close to your left foot. Right arm up. Left hip forward. Left leg is bent. Right shoulder in line with your left shoulder. Ground your right foot. Breathe. And then on your next exhalation, right hand down, spin your back foot, left leg back, and downward dog. Breathe. And then come in Malasana, step your right leg forward, right toes out, left leg forward, left toes out, lower down your hips, lift your arms up, joining your palms together, pushing your knees out with your elbows, or feel free to rest your hands down on the mat. Breathe. Stay here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On your next exhalation, release. Lower down your hips and then lie down. Hug your knees. Gently swing side to side. Massage your lower back. Then rest your left foot down, lift your right leg up. Use your hand to grab your right leg wherever you can, maybe your right toes, your ankle or your shin. And just focus more on getting the length in your right leg rather where you hold it from. Breathe. And then gently bend your right leg, rest your right foot down, switch side. Lift your left leg up, resting your lower back, your tailbone on the mat. Hold it from wherever you are comfortable holding. Focus on getting maximum length in your left leg. Breathe. And then you gently bend your left leg, rest your left foot down. Take a spinal twist, just do cactus arms by the side. Lift your feet off the mat, breathe in, breathe out, taking both the legs to the right. You're looking in the opposite direction. Breathe. Slow down your breath. Then you gently come back to the center, breathe in, breathe out to the left, look in the opposite direction. Breathe. Then you gently come back to the center, drop your knees, joining your feet together, coming in sleeping butterfly, Supta Baddha Konasana, resting your hands gently on your tummy. Just take a moment to relax your whole body. And then on your next exhalation, get your legs in, turn to the side of your mat, and then with the help of your hands, slowly make your way up, sitting in cross-legged position. So we are done with our practice for today. I hope you enjoyed this short yoga session. If you would like to do more, I have put some suggestion at the end of this video, so you can try some pranayama practice or some guided meditation to add to your yoga practice. And let me know in the comment section if you like something from today's practice. Do subscribe to this channel. I post new videos every week here for your home practice. Thank you so much. Namaste, and I will see you again.